Totally! A scent worthy of a legend!
Yeah, legend of biohazard control.
One spritz and this place'll smell like victory!
Or like a crime scene at a bean festival. Oh, fantastic, you nuked my lungs. You smell that? That's freshness with personality. Personality? That's chemical warfare in a can. Guess he couldn't handle premium fragrance. Congratulations, you weaponized Taco Tuesday. Could have gone worse. Name one way. If I'd lit a match? Do not give it ideas. 5-star review for aromatic chaos.